In this tutorial, you will negotiate a very challenging vertical course, then land on a yacht that will be moving toward the harbor. When you can successfully complete this tutorial, you should be able to fly any helicopter mission. You'll have to fly slowly in order to negotiate the gates and not crash into the hillside. You may find it easier to see the next gate in spot view. Congratulations, you've reached the top of the course. Descending through the remaining gates is more difficult than climbing to the top. Take it slowly and maintain clearance from the hillside. Great job navigating the vertical course. Now head for the yacht and land on the helipad. The yacht is moving. As you approach, try to match its speed and slowly descend. If you aren't comfortable with the approach, go around for another try. Congratulations, you just made one of the most challenging